Good morning, good people. My chest hurt.
Yes, I'd all of a sudden wake up. You know, when you weren't ready. It's just all of a sudden you didn't even know it was coming.
Oh my gosh. Anyway. We're getting up today to go do and run errands. I am off. It's a few days before Christmas, so we're trying to go to the store to get some things that we need before the huge rush. I hope that there's not a lot of people there, because I just don't want to deal with a lot of people, really. So that's what we're doing today.
Look into the camera for a while. Why you always gotta look like somebody's boyfriend?
That's
because
how long my hair is. I'm okay with that.
It is Christmas Eve. And we're gonna go look at lights.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, if it's not too crowded. So, I'm not the driver today, so maybe we'll get some more filming in.
Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna happen.
You're so rude. Okay.
I'm just saying, because, you know, I be trying.
You do. You do. I appreciate you stepping up.
In between time footage.
Yeah.
I don't have my wallet.
Oh, I got you. If you need anything.
I also don't have my phone.
Like way too close. Like,
Hey.
I know. Alright.
Hold on, you're gonna run into them. They say Black Lives Matter and love is love and science is real and feminism is real.
I don't know if I can zoom in that far. I might have to, you stupid.
Happy Merry Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler!
Happy New Year. No, I'm just kidding. It's just Christmas Eve. But we did Candy Cane Lane in El Segundo, and now we're going home. What was you looking at?
The camera, because I couldn't figure out where the mouth hole was.
I know, I saw her.
Me too.
I'm not really hungry anymore.
Cheers. Love you.
Love you too. Merry Chrysler! No, I'm just messing around. Merry Christmas, peoples. It's
Christmas.
It's Christmas. It's noon on Christmas. I was gonna say for Christmas, but that's wrong. It's noon on Christmas. We are going to
It's noon for Christmas too.
We're going to have brunch. We were supposed to have breakfast. We were supposed to be at our destination at 9:30. That didn't happen, but that's okay. We're on our way. We're hungry. I'm ready to drink some mimosas. We seen some lights last night. And now we're here. Say hi. Say Merry Chrysler.
I didn't. Merry Chrysler. That's why I say I talked to say that it's noon for Christmas.
But you didn't say Merry Christmas.
Merry Chrysler.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy Kwanzaa.
In my mouth.
You do? Is it big? Is it from brushing? Don't start that shit.
We're just sore.
But yes.
Damn, Jamie left me in the dust. Oh no, she didn't.
We are going to eat. And we will see you guys on
the flip side.
On the flip side. Why is there open Smarties in your freaking purse is what I was asking. Okay?
I don't know.
Because that seems like some real you shit to
I haven't had Smarties. I haven't
open
even been
Smarties and then not finish them and then put them back in your bag.
Okay, that definitely sounds like me, but I haven't had any purse candy, so.
You say you haven't had any purse candy?
No, I haven't been in my purse like that. And I haven't been needing any, I've been bringing liquids, so I haven't needed candy to moisturize my situation.
The mouth?
Yeah, I've been drinking hot beverages at work.
Hot bevies? First of all this candy looks nasty, friend.
Okay, well, put it back in the bag.
This candy needs some Jesus.
Okay, well, put it back in the bag. Well, it's always in fluctuating temperatures, I'll tell you that. Oh, I'll take that. That's from the wig.
We dropped off her computer last week, 10 days ago, to get it fixed. And we didn't realize that it was finished the same day because they emailed her and she doesn't really check her emails. And they didn't text or call us.
Hi, we have a regular.
Chilling, waiting for me to get off.
No, I'm gonna be doing things while that's happening.
After you drop me off, are you gonna go get your computer?
I'm gonna go get my computer. I got laundry to do. The kitchen needs to be finished getting cleaned up. Gotta finish straightening up the room. The desk is a mess. Gotta wash my wig. There are things to do. I will chill at some point, but
Not as always eating.
okay,
Well,
but sustenance is important.
Sustenance is important.
This new hot sauce too. But you heard old girl on the vlog. We was watching. That's all they did too.
They was in the pool and eating.
They were eating.
The food did look good.
It did look good.
Oh shit.
What you gotta
Oh
get?
shit, it's stuck. I was gonna get the onions. It's cold. Is Jamie sharing her salsa?
I'm sure you can have some. Is that serious? I will get her some on the way home from work.
Where the onions?
Oh, girl, I don't know.
Here, take it. It's cold.
You didn't even move any of this stuff.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did. I moved that whole thing. I really looked this time.
Okay, good on you, Jamie. You must use it.
See? I tried today. I be trying every day, but today.
First of all.
You need to throw those cookies away.
What? Oh, there's only like two halves left. Then you didn't eat.
Oh, I didn't know I was supposed to eat these.
Yes, you did. I told you.
I didn't know I was supposed to eat these. I want some tomatoes.
You gotta cut your onions, dude, because I just can't with my onions right now. My eyeball's about to fall out. My bad. I was trying to be preemptive, but they distracted me with the tomato question.
You want my... No, you don't have
I have a knife right there, and then a cutting board.
fake knife.
Well,